landing beaches. Walk along the sacred D-Day landing beaches that the soldiers gave their lives for. We'll begin today with a visit to the American Rangers Memorial at Point du Hoc. Pay tribute to the brave souls who lost their lives on D-Day on the landing beach of Omaha. Imagine the sense of terror and triumph felt on that fateful day when Allied forces set foot on mainland Europe. We'll stop for lunch at the seaside town of Armanges, the setting for the Mulberry Harbor, once at the heart of the Normandy landing. Consider joining an optical experience.